carefully what I'm. And before going to start the webinar, I want to inform you one thing. What is that means? Every day you are getting, okay, every day you are getting the notes through Google Classroom. Nothing to, okay, worry about it. And you are getting the video access also. After the course completion, up to 1 year, you are getting the videos access also. Listen carefully what I am saying. In my class, okay, everyday notes, okay, in my class, everyday notes I am going to post to your Google Classroom. After the class, immediately I am going to deliver the notes to the Google Classroom, and you are getting the videos also every day. Okay, that's why there is no tension at all. Okay, feel free for that. Right. And today our concept is what? First of all, what is called full stack developer? I'm going to say either Java or .NET or Python, what it may be. Okay, remember carefully. I'm going to say about either Java or .NET or Python, what it may be. What is meant by full stack development, and why the market is very busy with the full stack developers, and why the companies are going to recruit only the full stack developers. To understand this one, first of all, you have to know one small thing. Suppose just take a project. Okay. For example, I'm going to write web application. Nothing but a one application or project. I'm not going to mention either Java, .NET, Python right now here. Why? Because means the language is going to be changed, but concept is same to same. Remember everybody here, either Java developer or Python developer or .NET or PHP, what it may be, the concepts are same, but the languages are going to be changed and the tools are going to be changed. And in this aspect, okay, in a project, what we are having, everyone just watch it. After this, you are getting clear idea on this one. Okay, first see this. Suppose there is a project or application, and every project requirement is 5 members. Remember, to complete one project, we need a 5 member support. Okay, who they are? Everyone just watch it, guys. I'm giving with a picture. Here, I'm going to take 5 persons involved in this project. Just assume these are the 5 members. And for every project, this is the common thing. Okay. And what are the roles of these 5 members? Just assume first person is nothing but developer. What he is going to developer, later I'm going to discuss. Okay. Now he is the UI developer. Second person, just assume UI developer. And the third person, database developer. The third person, database developer. And fourth person, nothing but the tester. Fourth person is nothing but the tester. And the fifth person is nothing but project deployment or project management. Listen carefully. These are the 5 persons required for any project development. Okay. Suppose when you are going to a company, suppose you have selected for a company, in a MNC company as a project developer. In your project, what are the things are available means these are the 5 things are available. Okay, first thing, developer. Second one is the UI developer. Third one, deployment of developers are either Java developer or Python developer or .NET, what it may be. Just assume what is the work of this Java developer, Python or .NET. Okay, and one more thing online, guys. Right now, it is online and offline class, you know that. Okay, sometime you are having a issue with internet also. If there is any issue with internet, please inform me immediately. You are having the chat window here and you can type here. Okay, what is the issue? Immediately I'm going to. Please everybody. And you are having any doubts after the class, I'm giving the time. You are having microphone and we can chat directly. Now, what the Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer, what they are going to do and what the UI developer is going to do. Okay, listen carefully. Here, the Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer. Actually, we are calling backend developers. We are calling these are the backend developers. Very, very important or backbone of the project. These are the backbone of any project. Suppose you are a Java developer, you are the backbone for the entire project, either Python, either .NET, like this. And what they are going to do, I'm going to discuss, nothing to worry. Second one, UI developer. And UI developer, what he is going to design? Actually, he is going to design the front end. Listen, here UI developer, he is going to design the front end. Okay. Now, what about the database? For storage purpose, database means to store our data. And actually, here we can also call it is a middle also in other terms. Okay, later we are discussing that. And what is the tester? Now you have to test what the tester is going to do, what is the deployment person is going to do. I want to explain and why this topic later you can easily understood. Is your role in a company. After my explanation, it is easy to understood. Okay, guys. For example, I'm giving small example for this. Easy to understand. Just watch it. Suppose I'm going to open one application here. Just says, for example, I'm going to open like Flipkart or Wallet maybe. Just 1 minute, guys. It is loading. Okay. Otherwise, already it is okay. Can I say it is a website, guys? Okay, I'm giving the subject. Everyone, please. Someone, please respond. Am I audible? First thing, online
Yes,
student.
but there is
Some little bit
some,
disturbance is coming. Am I right?
yeah, there is, I think, internet issue.
Yes, of course. Today, actually, it is going to show there is an internet problem. That's why at the beginning I said that.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Right, right. And now see that. For example, it is the Ashok IT website. Everyone observe it carefully. This is a Ashok IT website. And here we are having Ashok IT in red color letters. And here logo is there. And here batches are there. And here something is available. Actually, we are calling it is a web page. Okay, is going to be designed. To design this web page, we need the UI developer. Listen carefully. To design that web page, we need the UI developer. And what the UI developer is going to do. And to become a UI developer, what are the things you have to learn? First, to become a UI developer, you have to learn HTML, mandatory thing. Next one, CSS, cascading style sheets. Next one, JavaScript. Okay, like this, HTML is required, CSS is required, JavaScript. Along with these topics, what you have to learn. Okay, along with this, these are the three mandatory things. Remember, to become UI developer, these are the mandatory, compulsory things. Without these three things, you are never going to be a UI developer. Sir, first of all, UI means what, sir? Generally, everybody getting a doubt. What is meant by UI? User interface. Okay. Actually, whatever you are seeing, see that. Finally, we are the end users. Actually, who is watching the window? Okay, in normal words, I'm saying, who is watching this window? He is called a end user. This window. Suppose you are going to open Flipkart. Here, Flipkart is going to open. Now, who is watching this Flipkart website? I am watching, you are watching. Then I and you both are the end users. Okay. And whatever the end users watching, that is called web page. That is called web page. And this is in technical terms, we are calling user interface. In technical terms, we are calling it is user interface. And this guy work is that one. How to develop the user interface. And who is going to design this? That is called UI developer. User interface developer. In a website, they are developed by UI developers by using of what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. Now you are getting it out. Sir, in this part, HTML role is what, sir? CSS role is what, sir? JavaScript role is what? Generally, everybody having a doubt on this. Sir, why HTML is used? Why the CSS is used? Why the JavaScript is used? We don't know, sir. Where we have to use in web application development. Listen carefully. Suppose it is the website, same website I am going to show you. It is the Flipkart website, and here one button is there. Here one button is there. Suppose I am going to click on travel. It is going to show travel details. Okay, see that flights, hotels, buses, like this. So much of information we are getting. And actually, when they are going to develop this web page, okay, the client is asking, here I need the travel button, and here I need the Flipkart button, and here there is a box, and inside the box, first one flights, second one hotels, third one buses, like this. This is actually the client requirement. This is what client requirement, and the client requirement taken by the developer, and he is going to put one button here, like this. He is going to manage, and how this page is designed means by using the HTML. In our web page, okay, that is conducted in HTML, managed by the HTML programmer. Listen carefully, guys, what I am saying. The HTML programmer, okay, the HTML programmer work is what? How to make the buttons, means display of the window, means where they have to place the list boxes, check boxes, images, okay, all these things. Next, okay, the buttons are placed, okay, by using of HTML, using the tags. After that, see that the buttons are in not in normal colors. Everybody observe it. Here, travel button, just example, travel button, the letters are in white color, and the logo, there is a flight logo, and is red color. And here also light pink color something, and here some light orange like this, yellow color is like this. So many things are there, and here bags are there, flight symbols are there. Now to get this colorful application, listen carefully. To get this colorful application, we are going to use the CSS. We are going to use the cascading style sheets. Means HTML work is only placing the items or buttons what it may be. Okay. What are the HTML tags available? We are going to place that. And for that buttons, items, all these things, we have to make it colorful. How to make it colorful means by using this CSS, cascading style sheets. They're giving the excellent output for the window. Okay. Now CSS task is also completed. So then where we are using the JavaScript, sir? Generally, everybody having this doubt also. Where we are going to use the JavaScript. For example, here I'm getting this travel information, Flipkart information, something like this. Okay. Now I'm going to search here. Everybody just watch it. Here, I need the mobile phones. Okay. I need here so many things are there, but I want to search only the mobile phone. I want to purchase a iPhone. Suppose assume, just assume, I want to purchase some mobile phone. Which mobile phone I want to purchase means iPhone I want to purchase. Then here see that search for products, brands, and more. They have given one search box. And here I'm writing like this iPhone. For example, I need the 17 model. Just example, it is just example. When I'm typing iPhone, see that iPhone related contents only displayed. Everyone observe it carefully what I am saying. When I'm typing iPhone here, only the iPhone related display only display. Suppose I'm typing Samsung. Now see that Samsung. Automatically, Samsung related data only displayed. Now the iPhone data is gone. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Because of inside this search box, there is a validation. That means whenever the client means whenever the end user, whenever the end user means I and you, just I and you, just imagine I and you are the end users. When end users are typing some text here, automatically after entering each and every character, remember everybody, after entering each and every character, this text is collected by the server program and sending to the server, and the database is going to react and it is going to reply only the SAM related content. SAM related content. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Okay. Actually, we are getting so many things here, but I want to watch only Samsung. Okay. Suppose when Samsung is selected, automatically see that only Samsung mobiles only displayed here. Okay. Actually, it is showing a little bit the process is slow today. Internet going slowly. See that it is showing only 89 results. 1 of 24 in first page. Total 89 results related to Samsung S24. Sir, how it is possible means there is a filter here. Inside this search box, there is a filter. Sir, how this filter is working? Filter is nothing but what? Condition. Filter is nothing but what? That there is a condition. Means if the text is Samsung, display only the Samsung product. If the text is iPhone, display only the iPhone details. Then where we are writing these conditions, all these things means that is nothing but your JavaScript. I think everyone understood what I'm saying. Okay. How this search is conducted means by using the JavaScript. Now there is a clarity on website. Means web page. HTML is used for putting the elements in HTML page. Means what? In our web page, which elements are required? List box, text box, password box, okay, checkbox, radio buttons are like this. We are deciding with the HTML. And for that items, we need the colorful output. For that, we are using the CSS. And when user typing some text, how to make the validation or how to make the, okay, how to make the filter, that is conducted in JavaScript. Up to this, what I said, everyone very clear, guys? Please, someone please respond. Up to this, what I said, everyone, is it clear? Please feel free to contact. Okay. I'm having headphones. You can type it. Otherwise, you can directly, you can, okay, talk with me. No problem at all. Up to this, what I said, everyone very clear. Please respond.
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, right. Thank you. Okay, fine. Finally, what is the advantage of HTML? What is the advantage of CSS? What is the advantage of JavaScript? Along with that, two other two Two other things you have to learn as a UI developer. Two other things also which are very, very important for a UI developer. What they are, sir? One is the bootstrap. Sir, where we are using this bootstrap? Where we are going to use the bootstrap? Very simple example. Very, very simple example. For example, here I am going to open the same Flipkart application. Currently, we are having the Flipkart. Currently, I am going to show this Flipkart in my laptop. Everyone observe it carefully. Actually, in our laptop, right now we are watching the Flipkart application. Anybody tell me, can I open the same window in our mobile phone, in our tab also? Come on. Can I open the same website in our mobile phones, in tabs also or not? But the thing is, when you are going to open the same website in a mobile phone or tab, the screen size automatically adjusted. It is not looking this size. Okay, remember everybody. Actually, right now we are using what? Right now we are using the desktop application. Okay, this is called desktop application because of currently we are using in laptop. Suppose same application you are going to open in your mobile phone or in your tab also, same information is visible. And one more advantage is that suppose in mobile phone you are watching okay, you are watching. Everyone listen carefully. Just assume it is your mobile phone. Just small example. Just assume it is your mobile phone. Okay. Now you are watching like this. Now here Flipkart is visible. Okay. Just assume Flipkart is visible. And you are doing one small thing. You are going to rotate your mobile phone. Listen carefully what I am saying. You are going to rotate this mobile phone because of the image is not clearly visible. Just assume now the mobile is in rotation position. Okay. When you are going to rotate this one, here watch Flipkart is coming here. Just assume Flipkart is coming here and suppose your mobile phone displayed here and some text is here visible. Everyone observe it carefully what I want to say. Suppose same thing here also displayed. Everyone watch it. What I am saying. Same thing here also displayed. And same thing here also displayed. But here the text is getting larger size. Everyone observe it what I want to say. Okay. In first window, everyone watch it carefully. In first window, the mobile is looking like this. In second window, the mobile is looking like this. In first window, the text is looking like this. Here the text is looking like this. That means what? Same heading, same mobile phone image, same text. But here the matter is little bit smaller, but here little bit bigger. Well, when it is happening, when you are going to rotate this mobile phone, and how it is possible, that means what? Actually, it is going to fit to the size. Okay, your web application or content going to be fit to the size based on the view. Listen what I want to say. Here also it is fitting based on the size. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Immediately when the mouse mobile is moved, immediately observe it carefully. When mobile is moved, immediately how it is going to fit means behind this you are using the bootstrap. I think everybody clear what I want to say. Okay, how it is possible means because of you are using the bootstrap for this automatical adjustments, font, everything, text, images, videos, audio files, everything. The setup is based on bootstrap. For that, you are going to use the bootstrap in our application. Everybody clear what I said? Chandu, is it clear, Chandu?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
sure,
sir.
Ramya, remaining or not giving any answer. If you are giving answer, I am also getting okay active. That's why what I am saying. Moreover, nothing. Okay. Right.
Okay.
No problem. Right. This is the bootstrap work. Okay. Now, why we need the bootstrap also, I have given the clarity. And one more thing also, as a user, you have to learn. Sir, what is the another thing I have to learn, sir? Okay. That is nothing but, yes, Jagan, you are having, Jagan, you are having any doubt? Okay. You can type in chat window Jagan, Mr. Jagan. Otherwise, you can talk with me. Yes, Jagan. I have given the mic facility.
Nothing, sir, nothing.
Okay, good, very good. Right. And now we are having the React.js. Now, nowadays, very hot. Okay, very important thing. Instead of Node.js, so many people are using React.js. Okay, sir, why we need the React.js, sir? Okay, now why we need the React.js? To become a UI developer, you have to learn nowadays the React.js. And what is nothing but React.js? It is a framework. Sir, what is called framework? Okay, what is meant by here framework concept? Very simple, guys. The meaning is itself very clear. It is a frame. It is a frame. Sir, what is called frame, sir? Okay, just watch it carefully. I want to say something about frameworks. For example, there is a flexi. Suppose in your house, just small example only. Okay, small example for easy understanding of this one. Assume there is a birthday is going in your house. Just small example. Or marriage is going. Just either marriage or birthday is going. And nowadays everybody going to use the flexis. You know that flexi. Okay, and here they are going to use the either bride example only for understanding the concept. And here groom. Suppose okay, and here they are giving the names, their names, marriage time, all these things. Now can I say it is a flexi, guys? And 1 minute, see that in this flexi you are having bride photo, groom photo, and information also. For example, right now can I say it is a rectangular frame? Watch it carefully. It is the rectangular. The shape is rectangle. But some persons are going to use like this also. Small example only for understanding the topic. You are having this kind of frame. Everyone watch it carefully. Suppose you are having this kind of frame and here same persons. Same persons. Now I'm going to make like this. See that? Same data. Everyone observe it carefully. What I want to say. Okay. Same information. Here also there. Here also there. But the only difference is what? The shape. Everyone observe it. Here, first person means in first example, the information available in rectangular form. And in second information, it is a circular or oval form. Okay. Now, can I say these are called frames? Okay. This is called one frame and that one is another frame. That means what? Actually, frame you are creating already created someone please respond. The frame you have created already created please someone please. Please, someone, please, guys. Don't watch it. Someone talk it. Huh? When you are talking means you are getting the subject also. That's why. Otherwise, it is right now you are in online. Now you are getting sleep also. When you are talking means your brain is active. Then you are getting more subject also. That's why what I am saying. Come on. Actually, this frame you are designing. Already it is designed. Someone please
We,
respond.
we are designing it.
Frame I am asking. Frame. I am
Frame.
not content. Not content.
Okay.
The round shape or rectangle frame we have designed already we are
Yes.
purchasing from market.
We are
Come
purchasing
on,
from
come on,
market.
everyone. Based on that, the flexi design depended or not.
Yes.
Okay, based on the frame, the content we are going to develop. That means it is making our work easy or not. When there is a frame, when there is a already predefined frame, our work is going to be easy because of the frames we are purchasing from the market according to our requirement. That means frame is predefined or user defined, guys. Come on, frame is predefined or user defined.
Predefined.
Very good. That is nothing but your React.js. That means what? Instead of doing all this work in big manner, to complete the same concept in small, means easy manner, we are going to use the React.js, which is a framework for UI developers, especially for UI developer to make their work easily, to make the total work easily, they are going to use React.js, which is nowadays we are calling UI developer frameworks. That means what? HTML, CS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Okay, we are doing all these things. But to make all these things in easy manner, we have to learn React.js. Suppose when you know all these things, how to create the buttons, how to give the colors, how to make the conditions, how to make the size of the screens, how to understand React.js, you are a UI developer. You are called UI developer. Okay. And now, then what about Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer? Okay. I said already that it is the backbone of the project. When you are having Java knowledge, Python knowledge, or either .NET knowledge, then only your web site is working or web application is working. Sir? Why we need the Java developer or Python developer or .NET developer? Okay. One small example. Everyone see that. Suppose, very simple example I am going to give here. Everyone observe it carefully, guys. Just a small example only, very simple example. Assume it is your laptop. You are having your laptop like this. Okay. Here, as usual, buttons, something is like this. And you are going to open the IRCTC website, irctc.co.in. Just example only, guys. Okay. This IRCTC web page here displayed, which is designed with the UI developer. Okay. Because of end user is watching this one and designed by UI user. Okay. Now, here you are selecting, for example, just assume, guys, just assume. Here you are selecting first source. For example, Secunderabad. Means you want to make a journey. Listen carefully. You want to make a journey from Secunderabad railway station and destination to where, means a destination means where you are going to. For example, you are going to VSKP, Visakhapatnam, Vizag. Okay, listen carefully. You want to travel from Secunderabad railway station to Visakhapatnam, Vizag. In our words, we are calling Valteru, Vizag like this. And here date like this. For example, 1/4/26. Okay. Now 1/4/26. And here you are selecting the class. Finally, you are clicking on submit button. Okay. And otherwise cancel what it may be. Everyone watch it. After this, you can understand what is the importance of Java programmer or .NET programmer or Python programmer. Okay. Now you have entered your source station, destination, date, and finally you are clicking on submit. Okay. When you are clicking on submit button, what happened? This whole information, whatever the information available in our web page, whatever the information available in this web page, okay, what happens? Inside the submit button, there is a Java program. Listen carefully. Here, either Java or Python .NET program is there. And it is collecting this web page information in the form of one object. Listen carefully. This information collected by the object. Just assume it is one of the object. Okay. Now, who is collecting this? Your Java program or Python program or .NET program. After collecting this object, what happened? There is a server program. And this server program sending this information to whom? Now, the server information sending to database. Listen carefully. This server information automatically moved to the database. Now, when the database, see that when it is passed to the database is searching on this date, any trains are available from Secunderabad to Visakhapatnam or not. Everybody observe it carefully, what I am saying. When you are passing this information to the server, okay, in server there is background, there is a database. That means what? Actually, your information converted into one object, and the object is going to server program, and server program contacting the database using the JDBC. Now, the database is searching this information available, okay, or not. Suppose available, then what happened? It is giving response again. It is giving response again, and the response is coming into the object. Later it is converted and displayed on the another web page. Okay, I will show you live example. Everyone just watch it. I'm giving live example for this. irctc.co.in. Just take a look on this. Okay, same to same we are getting from to suppose Secunderabad and to Vizag, and date, for example, April 1st. And here search trains. Automatically see that we got some trains, 14 trains. Everybody observe it. We are getting 14 results are coming. Okay. Secunderabad to Visakhapatnam. On that day, 14 results are there. It is what I said. Okay. Here the result is coming. Now the result is nothing but 14 trains. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Actually, where we have entered the requirement in our web page, and this web page designed with what? Either HTML, already I said that, JavaScript, okay, CSS, JavaScript, like this. And this is only for end user convenient. But how this web page information collected means by using your Java program, listen carefully, or .NET program or Python program. That means what? Who is writing this code means a developer. Listen carefully, guys. Here, who is collecting this information means your Java program, and who is designing this program means the Java developer. Okay. And now tell me, if there is no Java program, there is no .NET program, there is no Python program, your information collected up, your information going to database up, and result is coming up. Tell me, guys. I need the answer, man. If there is no Java developer or Python developer or .NET developer, this operation completed or not completed? Come on, everyone, please.
Cannot be completed.
That means what? Okay, who is the backbone means here developer.
Develop.
Okay, who is the most important person means the developer, and the developer work is what means, okay, he is going to make the mediation in between the web page and the database. Remember, okay, is this Java developer making a connection between the Java web page and database. Means he is a mediator, and if the mediator is not there, this is useless, this is also useless. This is what is happening in this example. I think up to this clear or not? Everybody? Right. Oh, finally, this is how the web application is working. Right. Next. Now we are moving for the next example. Okay. And now this is why we need the UI developer and why we need the Java developer. Then what is the database developer work? Now the database developer work is writing the queries to store the data. Already I said that where our information is stored or where the train information is stored means in the database. And generally in database nowadays, what are the applications we are going to use? Nowadays we are using Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, like this. Okay, so many applications are there, and all these are called what? database applications, and by using these database applications, we are going to store. Okay. Now, this is also completed. The next work is what? That is tester. Now, they have developed the application, and finally, the application means development team designed this application, and later it is going to tester. Okay. Now, the tester is testing this application is according to the client requirement or not. And he is going to test, this is going to manage the load or traffic or not. Sir, what is called load or traffic or not? For example, you know that in normal time, the IRCTC app application used by few people only. But at the Tatkal time, it is having lack of people at a time. Just small example, but only for small understanding, I am giving this one. Okay, listen carefully. At normal time saying, normal time, traffic is very less. But at Tatkal time, the database means the traffic is very high. Now, the same website facing different traffics. One is less, very high. Then how it is checked means by the tester. And also, sorry, the tester is testing, it is satisfying all the user requirement, client requirement or not. If the tester is not certifying this application, it is never going to be production stage. Remember this. If the tester is saying everything is perfect as per the client requirement, as per the even colors also. For example, here colors, buttons, all these are decided by whom? Means finally client only. Because of the application is given by the client. That's why you have to develop the application as per the client requirement. Now, finally, okay, the tester is testing this application is perfect. Then only the project goes for deployment. It is the important thing. Means what? Execution. Okay, then only the project is approved. Then only it is going to be market. Now, then what is the deployment team is going to do? Okay. Now, how to host the web application in a server or cloud, and how to maintain. Or manage. Okay. Actually, the deployment team. Another one, deployment team. Okay. And here, the deployment team is nothing but dev. Okay. SecOps. Some members are saying simply DevOps. Okay. Remember, DevOps, small, it is the shortcut. Actually, DevOps, but the original name is DevSecOps. Development, security, operational. Means how to development, how to give the security for the application, and how to do the operations. Okay, how to do the operation, how to manage the operations on this. That is conducted by DevOps. Okay, listen carefully. First, the UI developer developing the front end, and the Java developer giving the code in backside. And here the tester is testing the project is according to the client requirements or not. Okay. And deployment team, they are going to load this project into the cloud or server, what it may be. And finally, it is everything is completed. Now it is receiving the data and storing in the database. Okay. Now finally, how many people required, guys, for this? Finally, many people are required to do this, all these operations based on my example? Come on, please respond.
5.
Totally, how many people are required for this? Actual the picture, 5 members. But in this sector, okay, listen carefully. In this sector, little bit internet connection problem is there. Actually, here we are writing tester. He doesn't belongs to development team. Remember, everybody, here we are having 5 persons. Among these 5 persons, the tester doesn't comes under development team. Remaining 4 are the development team members. And if all these works are, listen carefully, if all these works are conducted by, means development, UI development, database, deployment, everything done by one person, then that person is called a full stack developer. It is nowadays the companies are looking for. Remember, once upon a time, the scenario is different. Once upon a time, Java developer is different. UI developer is different. Database developer is different. Deployment team is different. And deployment team, once upon a time, the company is giving the training. When you have selected for the company is giving the training for deployment. But nowadays, everything you have to go for outside only. Okay. If one person means if one person is doing all these things, remember everybody, if one person is capable to do all these things, that person is called full stack developer. In our terms, we can say all rounder. It is the most important thing. In our terms, we can say he is a all rounder because of he can develop UI application, UI design. He can do the Java program. He can develop database. He can deploy the project also. Then he is called all rounder. Already, okay, small example is also there. Best example, see that. You know Ravindra Jadeja. Okay, you know one of the best example for this, Ravindra Jadeja, who is the all-rounder in our cricket team. Okay, he is the all-rounder in our cricket team because of he can bowl well, he can bat, he can field also. That's why still he is surviving in Indian cricket. Still he is having chances in Indian cricket team. And so many persons are coming and going because of they are not all-rounders. It is what the companies are looking nowadays. Remember, guys, it is what the companies are looking nowadays because of cost cutting. You know, programming development. Okay, all these things. Listen carefully. You know, Java development, UI development, deployment, and database development. Your position is strong in company because of one person can do all these things. Listen, very simple. Because of he is all rounder now. Now the company can use that person as a Java developer, database developer, UI developer. That means he is a multi-purpose. Multi-purpose means multi-role. Multi-role he can play in company. That's why wherever you go, the company is looking for what means full stack developer, either Java, either .NET, either Python, what it may be. This is why the full stack developers are hot in nowadays, very hot because of they know everything. They know everything. Once upon a time, not like this. You know only Java, they are selected. You know only UI, they are selected. Nowadays, no company going to select like this. If you are a full stack developer, then only you can place inside the company. I think everybody clear. Now, along with this, when you're okay, up to this, anybody having any doubts? Please, up to this, in my explanation, anybody having any doubts, you can ask me. I have given the permission. I have given the permission to everyone. Yes. Anybody having any doubts?
No.
No. Good. Okay. Then I'm going to continue in this. Okay. Then I'm going to continue just 1 minute. And here I have explained only what means. Today I have explained what means the contents. For example, you are going to Java. Along with Java, what you have to learn. In Java, what you are going to learn. Okay, so many contents. First, you have to start with the core Java because of basic language means alphabets you have to learn. Once core Java completed, you have to start with advanced Java. Later, okay, Spring Boot, and web services or microservices. All these things are covered. That means I want to show you what are the topics you are going to get. What are the topics you are going to get? And suppose you are going to Python, same, but topics are names changed, that's all. But they are going to do the same thing. I want to show you one thing here. Everyone watch it. For example, it is the Java course. Everybody observe it. It is Ashok IT Java brochure. See that it is full stack Java. It is full stack Java. In this full stack Java, what are the concepts you are going to learn? Same thing. Modules. Core Java first. Advanced Java. Spring Boot. Microservices. And this is nothing but core Java module. Core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, Microservices. Next one, database in Oracle. In Oracle, PL, SQL, SQL both are covered. Okay. And UI module, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Okay. These are also coming. Everybody clear? It is what I said up to this. Up to this, what my explanation is. This is why how to learn a full stack. Okay. This is why I said why how to learn the full stack and what are the topics we are going to cover in full. Just I am giving .NET brochure or Python brochures. Everyone observe it, guys. But here, instead of Java, you are getting Python modules, core Python, advanced Python, Django, microservices. Microservice again common. And here also see that React.js common, AWS, Amazon Web Services. Because of we have to load that into cloud now, Amazon Web Services. And here also see that UI modules, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Means Java coming, otherwise Python is coming, or .NET is coming. Remaining all are same. And here database generally they are going to use MySQL. Okay, remaining all concept. DevSec. See this development, security, operational tools. Here you are getting these tools in your Java also, along with the AWS, Amazon Web Services, basically how to manage the cloud. Okay, how to deploy all these things. And to manage the project, okay, to manage the project very much clearly, we are using this development security operational tools. That means finally I want to say what means either you are going to join any course, either you want to go for any course. The final thing is only the starting subjects are changed, remaining subjects are same to same. Is it clear, guys? This is what is your full stack Java and why you have to learn the full stack Java. Okay. Now this is what are the concepts you are going to get in Stack Java. Okay. Today I'm going to stop the class right now because of it is only your first demo. You know that. Okay. It is our first demo. Everybody knows it is only our first demo. Just what is what I have explained. That's all. Tomorrow we are going to more. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to more and I'm going to start the subject. And along with that, there is a job opportunity also.
Sorry for the interruption.
Remember this, not only our Ashok IT is going to so here.
There is a complete break in your voice. So
Here
you're not audible here.
there is a
You're
break.
not
Okay,
audible.
okay. That is what is
Yeah. But it is complete breakout.
today problem. I am going to inform to the management and they are going to solve this issue also. The first
Can you please
what I
repeat
said,
what you have said?
nothing is I said. Actually,
Okay.
this is only full stack and placement assistance also there. What is the difference between full stack and placement assistance? Actually, there is a 5,000 difference is there, I think, between full stack Java and placement assistance. I think 5,000 rupees difference is there. Here you are going to get communication skills and here live projects means in both you are getting live projects, all these things. And what is the roadmap, all these things tomorrow I'm going to explain. Okay, remember because of today's you are saying my voice is getting glittering because of internet connection. Okay, that's why what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to explain what is the roadmap, how to complete this course. Is it clear, everyone? Tomorrow I'm going to explain about the remaining concepts. Online students, everyone, is it clear? Okay,
Yes.
because of voice problem, I'm going to stop this class today, right now. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to solve this issue. Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
only
yes.
Chendu is talking in this class. remaining persons Kathy, Laukya, okay, Ritesh, they're not okay. They're going to lose. Yes, any classroom, you are getting the concept. Yes, any doubts you can ask me. One here, I'm going to post this. They have given only what is what only. And in this example, most important thing, and in this example, here this application is visible. Means the end user is watching this application. This is called a front end application. But your Java program, it is not visible. Python program not visible. .NET program not visible. This is called a backend. Okay, this is called backend application, or which is also called a middle end front end. That's why this is called a back or middle end also. Okay, guys. Then I'm going to save here. Going to upload the notes also immediately. Okay. And how to access, everyone watch it. How to get these notes, how to access the notes. Already have enrolled for Ashok IT. And here, open the Ashok IT and you are getting the details like this. Okay. Here, notes is also available. 11 a.m. batch. Here, notes is available and you can get the notes also. Okay. Every day after the class, I'm going to upload these notes like this. That's all. Your notes is ready. Okay, see that. Here, your notes is available. And how to watch the notes means by clicking on view notes. Just a introduction to full stack courses. Okay, here you are having the introduction and directly you can download this. Daily notes you are getting like this. Just click on this one. It is going to open directly like this. Full stack Java or .NET or Python. What is happening? What are the topics today we have discussed? Every day you are getting the notes like this. Okay. That's all, guys. And tomorrow at same time, I'm going to start this webinar. Yes, anybody having any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, join tomorrow at same time. For today, the webinar is completed. Yes, Surender Kumar, 1 minute. Yes, I'm giving the opportunity. Just Surender Kumar. Yes, Surender, you can go for it. I have given the mic. Surender, are you there? I'm giving the mic
Hello. Hello.
to everyone. Yes, I'm.
Sir, am I
Yes,
audible?
yeah, you
Surendra.
are. Yes, Surender, you are audible.
Sir, I just now joined the class. So
Just now you have joined the
yes,
class.
yes. Just now I got a link from my one of my friend that this is like this happening kind of thing. So I'm not
Okay.
aware of that anything kind of this.
Nothing happened. Okay, Surender. What happened means today I have explained what is a full stack.
Hmm.
Okay, no.
Okay.
In full stack, we are having okay, what is a full stack Java developer role is what? Database developer is UI developer means what? Tester work is what? Deployment team work is what? One or nothing is there. Okay, no. I have given the picture. Each one is doing what in web application development. What is the role of each person? Okay. Suppose Java developer, he is going to take the data from web page and sending into the database. When the database is sending result, again showing on the web page. It is the Java developer work. And UI developer work, designing the front end. Database developer work, designing the database, means writing the queries. It is what I said with the pic. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, what
Is there
uh,
anything like I
uh,
have to submit any works kind of thing? I seen some website you showing like Ashok
no.
Lens.
How the yes, what I am saying is how the Ashok IT is working. This is what means notes only. I have shown. Okay, actually I have typed some matter here. There is a notes or not? Today it is my topic. What I have discussed in class. Okay, now what is Bootstrap is doing? Okay, now why React JS we have to learn? Why we have to learn the HTML CSS? Actually, you have to get the notes or not? I have shown that only. Actually, I
Yes.
have saved this and finally I have stored in Ashok IT website. See that it is Ashok IT website and I'm going to say upload notes in 11 a.m. batch. It is going to be stored and from
Okay,
there
sir.
you
I
can.
refer to that, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I will show you that one also, Surendra. Okay, that is what I said only. Okay, no, Surendra.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
So
anyone?
for uploading, you say kind of thing. That only shows.
Yes. 1 minute. I will show you. Okay. Actually, when I'm going to open the dashboard, it is showing the class. Our class timing is what, 11 a.m. now? It is showing the 11 a.m. And I'm going to, okay, view notes. Here, the notes is coming. Just internet is little bit slow today. That's why it is getting late. Nothing. Here, notes is visible and just you have to download. See this? Here, download is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I have already uploaded and you are not able to upload the notes now. You can watch the notes only. See that today what I have given. What is introduction to full stack courses? Just open this. That's all. Download button. You are getting. today's notes. Moreover, nothing is there. Is it clear? Here
Yes,
download
sir.
button is there, no? And directly you can download into your, okay? Right. Yes, any more doubts, Mr. Surender?
Yes, sir. All clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you are welcome, Surender. Thank you. Okay, Chendu, you are having any doubts?
No, sir.
No, no?
No.
Okay. Then daily I'm going to do the same thing. Okay. No? Daily I'm going to do the class. Later immediately I'm uploading the notes. Is it clear? Right. Okay, guys. Thank you for today. Join tomorrow at same time. Until that, take care and bye bye.
Thank you, sir. You also take it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Then I'm going to end the meeting also. Okay, thank you.